how to add a device to Google Find My Device. First, make sure your Android phone is signed into your Google account and connected to the internet. Next, open the Settings app and tap Security and Privacy. On some phones, this option may simply be called Security. Tap Device Finders. If you don't see it, use the search bar in Settings and search for Device Finders. Then tap Find Hub Setting. Now, turn on Allow Device to be Located toggle. If prompted, also enable Location and allow the necessary permissions, since your device needs location services to be found. To confirm everything is set up correctly, open a web browser and go to android.com/find, or open the Find My Device app on another Android device. Sign in with the same Google account, and you should see your phone listed automatically. If your device doesn't appear, check that it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, signed into the correct Google account, and that Find My Device and location are both enabled. That's it. You've successfully added your device to Google Find My Device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Android security tips, Google tutorials, and easy tech guides.